I passed my operations research prelim exam in August 2023, which is the time that I also worked on my master's thesis. And prior to that, I passed my algebra prelim in January 2023. I passed both exams on the first try, and here is the story of how I prepare for this exam. So in case you don't know what a prelim is, within the first 3 years of graduate studies, students in the PhD program at Clemson University need to pass 2 big exams, and each exam is 4 hours long and covers topics from at least 2 classes. This video is also available as a blog post, and I'm going to put the link in the description. And every resources that I mentioned in this video is going to be in the blog post as well. So all of the links, all of the courses, all of the YouTube videos that I will refer to, you just click on that Medium link and you can have access to them. For the classes that I took matrix analysis with Dr. Ryan Carter and abstract algebra with Dr. Matthew Macaulay. I was really busy with both classes, but they paid off on the prelims. So I used Dr. Matthew Macaulay's YouTube videos, which I link in the description, to refresh during the break. I used his videos for both the linear and the abstract algebra. I was so prepared for the algebra prelim that I finished 1 hour earlier. For operations research, I only took the mathematical programming class with Dr. Guo. She was really approachable and I learned a lot from the class. But since I did not take the other prelim class in OR, I needed to complete my knowledge from elsewhere. So I turned to Coursera. So I take the following free courses. So you can also go there. They are free. There is the models and applications, optimization algorithms, and third course is all about the mathematical theory behind the algorithms. The instructor for those 3 courses is very fun to listen to. He presented the materials very clearly. I also like the fact that I can rewatch the videos again and again. The courses also come with assignments that are graded automatically, and there is a student forum to talk about the assignments. Another class that I took from Coursera is discrete optimization, which cover materials that are not in the prelim, but you can go there and find some useful techniques that you can apply to prelim problems. There are also YouTube series that I found very helpful, and I link them in the Medium blog post. About the books, for algebra, I mostly used the textbook that we used in class, that is Linear Algebra and its Application by Lax, and the Visual Algebra book by Dr. Matthew Macaulay. For operations research, I used operations research, applications, and algorithm. I did not read all the chapters, only the ones that are in the prelim, because this book is huge. And then, to help myself practice, I used Kahoot. So I took abstract algebra and mathematical programming at the same time. So I was thinking about making flashcards because I love them and I used them a lot in primary school. So I decided to use Kahoot because they are using gamification instead of just like flashcard where I have to do all of the planning on my own. So I paid for the student plan, which cost money back then. It still costs money. With the student plan, I can use my Kahoot as flashcards, or I can do some Kahoot games with some bots. I use topics from classes as questions and screenshots of lecture notes as answers. And I also share with you in the Medium blog post the Kahoot games that I use. You are definitely welcome to use them. And later, I heard about Anki Universal from Dr. Bazet's YouTube channel, and I tried it, and it has been a game changer for me. So this app is so developed that you can only see a flashcard when you need to review it, because it uses the space retrieval theory. So I set up my Anki app so that it gives me a reminder in the morning to practice my cards. And this is how it looks like. And the app itself is very straightforward. Once I open it, it shows me how many cards for each topic I should review for the day. And I can choose to review ahead or increase the number of cards by clicking on the arrows. As with Kahoots, I use the titles of sections for the front card and a screenshot of the lecture notes as the back of my cards. I can use the tools to write on the cards while I'm reviewing them. However, the annotations are not saved. after I review each card, I can decide if I consider the card easy or good, or if I need to review it again. And it shows me when I will see the cards again after my choice. So this is an example of the flashcards that I made. So this is my question, and this is the screenshot that I did. And the best part is, unlike the Code student plan, which I used prior, Anki Universal is available for free on the Microsoft Store, so you don't have to pay for it. And it's completely offline. I also trained myself to solve the prelim exams for the past 10 years. Some senior graduate students told me, though, that only the last 5 years are relevant. Since prelim questions are only available for Clemson students, if you would like to have my notes, you can email me and I will be happy to share them with you. I also read a lot of homework and solve exams from other institutes. I usually just search the topic and read the ones that pop up first. And when the dates of the prelim approached, I made some timed attempts on past prelims that I did not see, and it helped me to know how far I can go in 4 hours. So this is how my schedule looked like during my prelim preparation. So first of all, I do my morning routine, wake up, going to school, all of those things, and then I review my flashcards from Anki Universal and Kahoots. When it's not sleep time yet, I attempt the past prelim, and when I find myself in trouble, I'm gonna go watch the YouTube video or the Coursera videos on the topic, and if I feel like I need more information, I read the book, and then I do my work as a TA and over social responsibility, and if it's breakfast time or lunch time or dinner time, then I eat. I did not skip a meal, and I tried to exercise 2 days in a week, and then I do my evening routine, going home and all of that. And then if it's midnight or I am really tired, I go to sleep and then repeat that again the next morning. So if this story helped you, share it with your friends and check out my other videos.